Bike night was on Wednesday. 3 days later it's Saturday, and it's the 20th anniversary of the Rocket 3. So in celebration of that, there's a Rocket motorcycle group been invited to Triumph, and they're all here behind me. So let's go and have a look at some of the beautiful bikes.
Does she do it?
Hello.
You have to have a sidecar to lean on it when you're doing on pursuits.
Oh, that'd be amazing. Imagine me and you in a sidecar.
Imagine. You can be in the sidecar.
Yeah, I will.
So I think what I'm going to do, I'll count the Rockets that are here, because there's a lot of horsepower on this car park here at Triumph, and I'll find out where they've come from. And there's some awards going on at 3 o'clock for the best roadster, the best Rocket, best tourer, I think, and some other categories. See how many there are, and I'll put the camera around them as well so you can count them with me. So for anyone watching that doesn't know, this Ultimate Muscle Roadster from Triumph has a 2.458cc triple engine. It's the world's largest production motorcycle. The latest model, the Rocket 3 Storm, has a record-breaking 225 Nm of torque at 4,000 revs.
They got a nice sound for this. Just getting that. Yeah, I mean they got a nice. It's on a Triumph.
I think it was 126.
55, 120.
When we left home, it was a wee bit of rain, but the further we got to Dublin, the weather got better, so it was nice.
Yeah.
Then we got off the boat in Holyhead, and it emptied for about, say for about 12 miles.
I've just been watching the Trooping in the Colour of the Ice. It was all right to begin with. Obviously forecast thunderstorms. It did rain. But then it cleared up for the fly past. But proud moment for you guys, for the Irish Guards.
Definitely.
It's one of the best parades I've seen.
Isn't it just?
You watch it.
Yes,
Really good. Can I get a closer look at your badge?
You can, of course you can. Of course you can.
Oh, this is.
And then you get one at the back as well.
That's nice. I like that.
Yeah, I do like that. That's very good.
I counted 126, including all the tricks.
126.
126 and the two inside the new ones. I was 128 altogether. So that's good.
So the Irish chap just spoke to, he's just come with his friend. He said there's a guy come all the way from Iran. Let's carry on counting. So here's the production line from concept, where you get the plasticine rocket, where it's developed and designed. Then the production line goes all the way down through the process of detailed design, testing and development, volume production, you name it. So it's really interesting. So Triumph have used the Rocket 3 bike to show how they developed the bike, and it's upstairs in the museum. So come and check this bit out. This is well worth a visit as well. Where have you guys come from?
Germany, Switzerland.
And what do you think to today at Triumph? Good?
Well, okay, well, good.
And you get caught in a thunderstorm?
Today not.
No?
No,
Is
today
it
not. We made it just before.
just before? Ideal.
We are from Germany.
Yes, whereabouts?
Near Cologne.
It's a very nice ride.
And you see the riding is easier as here because you have so many ghost drivers. So drive on the wrong side.
Yes. I met a guy from Italy once and he had a BMW RT and he had an elastic band across his handlebars. And it had a sign, so when he went to get a coffee or something in England, so he'd come back to his bike and then it would be a visual reminder to tell him to ride on the left. Yeah, because he thought, oh.
Just over 2.
Right.
But they actually, to be fair, they picked it up from Dorset,
Yeah.
took it away in a van, stripped it down, stripped everything down, angle grinded it.
Can you just remind us what your award is for?
It's for the best touring.
Best touring. I was filming that one.
This one.
Yeah, sorry. Best touring, yeah?
Best touring. Thank you.
The best roadster.
Best roadster?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Best new rocket.
Best new rocket. Congratulations.
Thank you. One more.
The best combination trike and...
Best combination.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You back again?
Yeah, what's it?
Come on, give me a soundbite for the channel.
Hello, hi.
The race is good.
Fantastic!
Alles klar.
This is a fantastic event.
It is coming next year.
Rocket,
Are you coming next year?
of course. I will come next year.
Did you win the voucher? Did you win the raffle?
First prize.
That's why you're coming next year.
Of course, I have to spend it. I have to buy stuff.
watch it back.
Fantastic! This is a fantastic event.
Are you coming next year?
Of course.